So welcome back to Project Maverick. I'm going to show you something a little unusual, and it's part of our conversion to a late model Coyote conversion. And what we've done is strengthen the chassis and give a unique way of putting in a set of late model seats.
Come on!
So how do you get it in the right place?
I've got no fucking idea.
Let's go!
Yeah. Really easy when you get somebody else to do it. Welcome back to RRS Project Maverick. There's something I want to show you on the inside. Our unique chassis stiffening. We're about to panel this in, and you can see another support here. So we've tied it into the pillars, tied it into the transmission tunnel. This is now tying the two frame rails together so they operate better. By the time we've got the panels in here, this is now a monocoque piece, so it's spreading its load over a larger area. Now this piece of RHS tubing has two purposes. Not only strengthens the chassis, but it's our seat mounting location. So let's slot the seats in and see how it all fits. So we've got the original Maverick rear pieces, tiny little modification of a slot put in them. This is all about to be anchored in place. So the best thing about this is you get from your wreck 2017 Mustang a set of seats. And so here we are with a set of seats out of our donor car that after a little bit of fiddling all fit absolutely perfectly. Yeah. Okay, but wait, there's more.
What is it?
This is our 2017 gear shifter in place. We get to use our 2017 Mustang center console. And next, the dash. It's nearly completed in its conversion from left to right. We're about to put the steering column in. We're going to put a nice infill here with our instruments and switches. That way we're able to delete all of this. Our air conditioning will all fit in. Nice modern feel to a vintage classic.